Hello traders, today I am going to share a best scalping strategy for gold. This is a very simple strategy but very profitable. If you trade with the money management system with this strategy, then you will be very profitable. So let's start it. This trade is very simple and profitable. Trading setup: pair only XAUUSD gold. Time frame only 5 minutes, but you also trade with a higher time frame, is 4 and day 1 time frame. Then this trade will be most accurate. But if you are a scalper, then you have to trade only for 5-minute time frame. Session, London session and New York session, you can trade. Tools only 200 exponential moving average and 15 EMA. Then you have to need write the support and resistance level. So at first you have to mark the resistance and support level. So this is a resistance and this is a support level. We have to mark this level. Every significant zone we have to mark. After marking this level, then we have to need a indicator that's moving average. So indicator we needed moving average, and moving average is exponential moving average. First 200 EMA we need, and 200 EMA, this is moving average. After 200 EMA setup, then we have to need another moving average. This is 50 EMA. So then exponential moving average and 15 moving average is called. So this is a 15 EMA. After these three things, first 200 moving average and 15 moving average, then you have to mark all this level significant support and resistance zone. So we are marking this level. After that, only buy setup. How you can trade by this simple gold strategy. This is a entry rules. Buy entry price must above 200 EMA. Must above 200 EMA for buy setup. Only for buy. Wait for pullback near 15 EMA. After above the 200 EMA, this is a very good setup. After above 200 EMA, this is a 200 EMA. After above this level, then we have to only look for buy setup. So we have to look for only bullish candle. After pull back the 15 EMA, then we have to only look for bullish candle. Without any candle confirmation, don't trade blindly. So look for bullish candle close near support. So that's we are looking for a bullish candle. After nearest pullback, the nearest 15 EMA. So this is a pullback, and this candle is this is a support zone, and this is a support zone, and this candle above the 15 EMA. Then we have to trade a buy setup. So this is your buy candle. After buying this, you can set your stop loss by nearest support. So this is your entry point, and this is your SL, and the target where target is nearest resistance or nearest support. You can set the TP or take profit. So this is 1:2 risk to reward ratio. This is hit it. So this is a very profitable and good simple strategy you can trade. If you properly learn this trade, then you will be very profitable. So let's see another sell setup. How you can trade simple price below the 200 EMA, and after below the 200 EMA price, then come back but pull back the 15 EMA. After pullback the 15 EMA, without candle confirmation, don't trade blindly. After this is a candle confirmation. This candle below the 15 moving average or EMA. So this is your entry point. This is your entry point, and this is your stop loss, because nearest resistance zone and where you can set your take profit level. So nearest support or resistance zone, nearest support. This is a nearest support. You can set your take profit. So this trade is hit it. Risk management is very important for forex scalping or forex long trade. So risk management, per trade only 1 to 2% risk, maximum trade per session only 3 trade, and stick to the plan, avoid over trading. So this is a very simple strategy. If you learn this strategy properly, then you can be a profitable trader for forex scalper.